Now we are going to put in our spring onion so it looks prettier. Shake off the excess water from the spring onions, lay them on top. Look at how pretty this dish is. Okay, time to serve this dish. I'm going to julienne the ginger for the fish. So I'm just going to cut them into thin like this, but in order to manage it easier, once you slice off the first part, place it down, alright? Then just slice down like this. Continue. Continue to slice it thinly like this. Be careful of your hand. So the next step is just to spread this out a little bit, like this. Okay, so hand will be like this so that you won't cut your finger. Simple, just do it this way. Right, observe. Slice them very thinly. I've removed the placemat and replaced it with a wet cloth underneath so that it will not move that much and is safer. Okay, I'll continue cutting this up. So cut this up. This is very easy. Next, we will prepare some spring onion, slice them up. This will be used after the fish is being steamed. Cut off the roots. Cut them in half like this first. I'll be using a device like this to actually scrape them up so that they'll be very thin. But if you do not have something like this, then you just got to do what I'm doing right now. Just slice them thinly like this first. And when they're thinly like this, then you just need to slice them up again like this. Alright, but with the device that I showed you earlier on, that is purchased from Daiso. It's only $2, very cheap and very easily available. So you can just get it from Daiso, or if you want to do it this way, no problem, you can do it this way too. I'm going to show you how to use that particular device from Daiso. Let me just put this aside inside this little bowl of ice water. The reason of putting this inside ice water is later it will curl up very nicely, and for display is very good. It's like restaurant grade. Okay, so with this, very simple, right? Just hold on to one side of it, and with this part, just do this. Moving a little as you like from side to side. Be very careful and do this because these blades are actually very sharp. So once you're done, just cut off the end part here so that all this can be really separated out like this. Okay, so same thing, go inside here. I'll continue with the green leaves over here. Cut it off, push it aside, continue again. So after this is done, just leave this aside inside ice water and we'll be using this later.